Hello friends, welcome back to CAD practice. Today we are going to construct a 3D assembly model of shock absorber in Autodesk Inventor software. So in this tutorial we are going to construct 4 different parts and then make a complete one assembly. So we are going to construct the first part will be the base, second will be spring, third will be the nut, and fourth will be the rod. Okay. When we are moving this nut, okay, about this, so there will be a movement to adjust the shock absorber. Okay, so let's get started. First we are going to develop this rod part. So double click this, so this will look like this. Okay, now go back to the assembly. So let's get started. Go to new, take a standard part in millimeter, go to create. Now take a 2D sketch, select the top plane, the exit plane, rotate the view, take a circle command. From the center point, make a circle of diameter 24 mm. Enter. Now finish sketch. Now here take extrude command and we are going to take extrude of 110 mm. Okay. This will be a one direction extrude at upside and press OK. Now select this top edge. Take the fillet command. Here we are going to give a radius of 6 mm. Press OK. Now go to origin and select the front plane, the XY plane. Go to create sketch. Now here, from here we will select 2-point rectangle. Make a rectangle profile over here. Go to view, change the visual style to wireframe. Now go to sketch again, take line command. Okay, from this point we are going to construct a center line. Escape. Now select this line, make it construction line. Now go to dimension. The dimension from the center line will be 7.5 mm. Okay, zoom out, and this dimension will be 20 and the height will also be of 20 mm. Okay, now escape. Now go to coincident and here select this line and select this point. Okay, so this will look like this. And here go to mirror command, select this complete profile, go to mirror line and select this center line, apply, and done. Okay, now go to 3D model, take extrude, select both the profiles and take haircut. Here you can see it is going one side, so we will take a symmetric cut and press OK. Go to front view, so this will look like this with side cuts. Okay, now rotate the view. Now go to view, visual style, back to shaded with edges. Now select this face, go to create sketch. Here go to circle command, make a circle over here of diameter 8 mm. Escape, and here go to dimension. From top this will be at a distance of 10 mm. Now go to vertical constraint, select the center point and select this center point. So this will be aligned vertically. Go to 3D model, take extrude, rotate the view to home. Now take here, change the direction or simply click on cut. So it will be a through cut over here and press OK. Okay. Now you can see a through cut. Now here, rotate the view. Now we'll select the center plane, the YZ plane. Go to create sketch. Go to view, visual style, change it to wireframe. Okay. Now back to sketch. Take the circle command. From this center point, make a circle of diameter 18 mm. Take the 3D model. Okay. Escape. You can see here a projected circle has been made. If the circle is not made, you have to project the circle by your own. By going to sketch, you have to go to project geometry and click on the circle. Go to 3D model, click extrude, because we are going to select the profile outside this inner circle. And here we are going to take a symmetric, go to view, visual style, back to shaded with edges, and here the dimension will be of 25 mm. Okay, and this cut will remain same, and press OK. Okay, now you can see the through profile. Now rotate the view, select this bottom, go to create sketch, take the circle command. From the center point, make a circle here of diameter 27 mm. So this will be escape bigger than this circle. Take 3D model, extrude, rotate the profile to home. Now here you can see it is going down, so we'll click on direction 2, change it to join, and here give a dimension of 80 mm height. Okay, so this will be joined till here, and press OK. Now go to assembly. Now here you can see it is having a thread profile over here. So to make thread profile, select this top face, go to create sketch, select this outermost circle, go to project geometry, and finish. Okay. Now to make the thread profile, we have to make a coil. So go to 3D model. From here, go to start 3D sketch, select the helical curve, and here in helical curve we will select pitch and height. The diameter here will be of 27 mm. Okay. Now we are going to select the middle point. So this green point will be a midpoint. Take the front view, and here will, so this green line is the guiding line. So click on this green line. Okay. Now give the height. So the height here will be of 50, and the pitch will be of 3 mm. Okay. Now just it will ask you the side. So I click on the right side and apply. Exit. Now finish sketch. Go to home view. Now this coil profile has been made. Now we want to make a cut profile over this helical curve. So here we will see the starting point. So here the starting point will be this. So go to project geometry. Okay, go to plane first, select this point. Okay, and select this curve profile. So a new plane will be constructed over here about this point. Select this new plane, go to create sketch, and here from here we will select the polygon command. Will the polygon face will be 3, so this will be a triangle profile. Make a triangle profile over here. Go to dimension, define this dimension as 2 mm. Escape. Now go to project geometry and project this point profile over here. Rotate, and here project this point. Now go to coincident, select this point and select this backside of the triangle. Okay, so the triangle will be inserted inside. Now finish sketch and go to sweep command. So this will be the profile to sweep. For path, select this coil path. Okay, select this profile once again. If it's not selected, now you can see the sweep. We want a cut profile over here, so change it to cut and press OK. Now go to the fillet command, take fillet here and give a radius of 0.5 mm. Go to edge selection and select this outer edge and this top edge. Okay, now go to right view. So to make it more clear, so we are selecting this outer edge and this outer edge. Okay, of radius 0.5 and press OK. Okay, Now rotate the view to home. Now hide the extra profiles. So select sketch 3, hide the visibility, and select here plane 1, right click, turn off the visibility. Now go to the base, rotate, select this bottom face, go to create sketch, go to circle command, and here make a circle of diameter 10 mm, go to 3D model, take extrude, and here take cut, and we'll give a cut depth as 75 mm. Okay, now here you can see the red profile. So this is an inner cut, and press OK. Now select this bottom edge, click on chamfer. Here we are going to give a height of chamfer as 4 mm. So this is a equal chamfer for this side and for this. Okay, and press OK. Now rotate the view. Now assign the color. From here we'll select and click OP. So we are going to give the opal color. Okay, and save it. So I've already made all the parts. So make a new folder over here and write assembly, enter. Now here make it as rod and save. Now we are going to construct the second part. So go to assembly. We have constructed this rod part. Now we will select this base, double click this. So this base we will construct now. Okay, back to the assembly. Now go to new, take a standard part in millimeter and go to create. Now take a 2D sketch and here select the XY plane. So we are going to construct it with front plane. Now go to line command, select the center point, and here construct a profile first. This here and this. Okay, take it till here, here and till here. Escape. Now select this, delete, and here click on extend and select this. Escape. We want a single line over here. Now go to dimension and define this as 12 mm and this dimension as 5 mm, and the dimension of this from base will be 45 by 2 of 22.5 mm. Now go to dimension, define this as 3 mm, define this as 28, and define this last as 70 mm. Okay, escape. Now this is fully constrained. Here you can see fully constrained. Go to 3D model, take revolve, and here the profile is selected. So we will select this axis to revolve this and press OK. Go to home. Now go to the top view, go to origin. From here also we will select the XZ plane. So this is the top view. Go to create sketch. Here also we are going to make the cut profiles as which we have done previously. Go to 2-point rectangle and here make a rectangle profile, and this also a rectangle profile, and finish. First we are going to give a radius. So select this edge, go to fillet, give here a radius of 6 mm. Rotate. Here you can see the 6 mm radius and press OK. Okay. Go to home. Now drag the sketch 2 down after the fillet one. Double click sketch 2. Rotate the view. Okay. Now go to view, visual style, change it to wireframe. Now back to sketch. Go to dimension. The distance from the center point. For center point, go to line command. from the center point, make a straight line. Escape. Select this line, make it construction. Go to dimension. So we'll define only one. This will be 7.5 mm. This will be 20, and this also will be of 20 mm. Okay. Now escape. Now what else is left? Okay, the position is left. So for position, select to coincident, select this line and select this point. Escape. Now go to dimension. Define this also as 20 mm, and here give the distance from the center line as 7.5 mm. Okay. Go to 3D model, take extrude, select these, take symmetric and take cut. Go to view, visual style, change it to shaded with edges. Now here drag this outside. Okay, so it will make a cut profile. Rotate the view. Okay, and press OK. Now we are going to make a whole profile over here. Select this face, go to create sketch, take the circle command, make a circle over here of diameter 8 mm. Go to dimension. Dimension from this point will be 10 mm. Go to horizontal constraint, select this point and select this point. Go to 3D model, take extrude, and here take cut. So this will be a through cut, and press OK. Now select the XY plane once again. Go to create sketch. Now go to view, visual style, change it to wireframe. Now go to sketch again. Take circle command. From this center point, make a circle of diameter 18 mm. And here escape. Go to 3D model, extrude. Select the profile between this 18 mm circle and 8 mm circle. Give here a dimension of 25 and take a symmetric extrude. Here we'll take join, view, visual style, shaded with edges, and press OK. Okay. Now here this profile is complete. Now from here we will select the chrome polished. So take chrome polished. Okay. So and here select this profile and give it a black color. So we'll take here the anodized black. Okay, rotate this face also as black. So here take anodized black. Now go to home. Now save it as base and save. Okay. Now we are going to make the third part. Go to assembly. We are going to make this spring. Okay, double click this. So we are going to make this flattened spring. Now back to the assembly. Okay, now go to new, take a standard part in millimeter and go to create. Now from here go to 2D sketch, select the XY plane, take the line command, select the center point and make a straight line. Escape. Go to dimension, define this as 100 mm height. Now take the circle command, make a circle here of 7.25 mm. Now go to dimension. The center point from this base will be at 15 mm. Now take the horizontal constraint, select this point and select this point. Escape. Now here finish sketch and take the coil command. So this will be the coil profile and this will be the axis. Go to coil size. The pitch here will be, okay, we are going to take here the revolution and height. So the height will be of 100 mm and the revolution will be 6. Okay, so this will be a complete profile. Press OK. Okay, now you can see it is a not flat profile from top and bottom. So go to origin, select the top plane, the XY plane, go to create sketch, rotate the view, go to circle command. From this center point, make a circle here of diameter 50 mm. Go to 3D model, extrude, and here take cut. So this will cut this profile from bottom. Okay, and press OK. Rotate the view. So this will be the cut. Now rotate. Similarly, same cut we will construct here also. So go to plane, take offset from plane and select the exit plane. Take here offset of 100 mm and press OK. Now select this plane, go to create sketch. Take the circle command from the center point, make a dia of 50 mm. Take 3D model, extrude, and here take cut. Flip the direction. So here also cut profile will be made and press OK. Okay. Now select this plane 1, right click, turn off the visibility. So this will be the complete spring profile. Now from here define the appearance. So we will give it a blue wall print glossy. Okay, and save it. Save it as spring and save. Okay. Now close this. Now here the last part is this nut. So go to new, take a standard part in millimeter and go to create. Now take a 2D sketch and here select the top plane, the exit plane, rotate. Select the circle command from the center point. Make a circle of diameter 52 mm and from this same center make a diameter of 24 mm. Take 3D model, extrude, select this between and take here a height of 9 mm. Press OK. Now select this face, go to create sketch, take the circle command from this base, from the center point, make a circle of 29 mm. Go to 3D model, extrude, extrude this middle profile at distance of 1 mm. Okay. Now select this face once again, go to create sketch and here go to circle command, make a circle here of diameter 4 mm from, take the distance. So this center from this center point will be at a distance of 20 mm. Go to vertical constraint, select this point. Okay, take here horizontal constraint, select this point and select this point. Take line command and make a line profile tangent to this and make one center line till this center point. Escape. Select this profile, make it construction. Okay. Now go to dimension. The angle here will be of 30 degree. Escape. Go to mirror, select this profile, go to mirror line and select the center line. Apply and done. Okay. Now go to trim profile, trim this outer profiles. Escape. You can see this is moving. So go to dimension, define this as 30. Now go to arc, take center point arc. From this center point, select this point and select this point. Escape. Select this outer profile, make it construction. So only this profile will be left. Go to trim, trim this inner circle profile and take 3D model, extrude, take here cut and take a depth of 10 mm. Okay, so this will be a through cut. Okay, you're taking 10 just to make a through cut. You can take here 9 also, then also it will give a through cut profile. Press OK. Now we want to pattern this complete profile, so go to circular pattern, select this profile, go to rotation axis and select this as rotation axis. Here we will give a count of 12 and the angle will remain 360 degree and press OK. Okay, now go to front view. Now we are going to make a taper profile, taper cut over here. So go to 2D sketch, origin, select the XY plane, go to project geometry and project this edge, go to view, visual style, change it to wireframe. Take the sketch profile again, go to line, from this point make a line profile and here make one line and till this point one line. Escape, select this, make it horizontal. Escape, go to dimension and here give angle of 15 degree and height of this will be 5 mm. Okay, now go to line, make a center line over here. Escape, select this line, make it construction, go to 3D model, take revolve, select this profile, for axis select this axis and take here cut, go to home, go to view, visual style, change it to shaded with edges and press OK. So a cut profile will be made here, you can see. Okay, go to home again. Now here we are missing with the internal thread. So internal threads we are going to make during the assembly. I'll show you. Go to home. Okay, when I move this, so the internal threads will be made. Okay, now define the color here. So here we are taking light red. So take light red and save it. Save it as nut. Save. Now we will start with the assembly. So first close this, close all the child parts, close this rod and close this base also. Okay, so this is the previously made assembly. Now go to new, take a standard assembly in millimeter. Here you can see assembly, this is for part. Okay, now create, now place. So here we will select the assembly folder and first we are going to place the rod. Okay, select this rod, go to open and place it over here. Escape. Now go to view, visual style, back to shaded with edges and this also will change to gray room. Okay, now it is similar to what we have made. Go to assemble and here go to origin and open origin of this rod. So this is origin of the assembly, this is origin of rod. Now you can see it is in a moving form. Okay, so we have to always make a assembly in the constraint form, so as the assembly should be constrained about a single part. So this will be the part which will constrain complete assembly. Go to constraint and here select the YZ plane. So this is for assembly surrounding and this is for the rod, and select this YZ plane of rod. Apply, exit and exit. As you can see it is going in opposite direction, so click here on flush and apply. XY plane and XY plane, apply. If it's showing this pop-up, so go to edit the relationship and click on mate. Apply, exit. Now this is fully constrained. Now go to place again and here we'll place the base. Go to open, Click here, escape. Now go to constraint, select the center axis and select the center axis. It is going inside, so click here on aligned and apply. Exit. Now drag this outside. Okay. Now go to place and here select the spring profile, open and place it over here. Escape, close this. Okay. Now go to constraint, select this face, rotate the view and select this face, apply and exit. Now we don't have any access here. Okay, so here what we can do is we'll constrain the spring with the help of its planes. Okay, so go to spring, open the origin and here we will select the planes. Go to constraint, select the YZ plane of spring and go to the rod origin and select YZ plane of the rod, apply. Similarly, we'll select the XY plane of the rod and XY plane of the spring and apply. Exit. Now spring is also constrained, only this movement will be left for adjustment. Okay. Now we will call the next part, go to place and we'll place the nut and open. Place it over here, escape, go to constraint, select the center axis and select the center axis. It is in opposite direction, so click on aligned and apply. Select this flat face, rotate and select this flat face of the spring and apply. Exit. Now this do not have any thread over here. Now we are going to make a thread file. So drag this, so this unit completely to here. Okay. Now we have closed all the parts. So double click this nut. So this will be the working part. Okay. Now here we will go to modify, take copy object. Okay. And select this rod. So and here we will select on composite and press OK. Okay, so this will be constructed here. Now go to surfacing and take sculpt. Select this surface and here click on cut or remove. Okay, go to more settings and here we'll change the direction. So flip the direction to other side. So this will cut this profile now and press OK. Now here you can see the internal threads are being made in this nut. Now back to the assembly. Okay. Now as you rotate this profile, so the threads will be updated within the nut. When I drag it completely out, till here you can able to see the profile of the internal cut thread. Apply. Now you can not see the thread. If you drag this complete profile inside, so the thread profile will be active once again. So if you want to see the thread here, select this, right click, turn off the visibility. So here you can see the thread cut inside. Okay. Now turn off the visibility, turn in the visibility of this rod. Okay, go to home. Okay, go to view and switch on the shadow and reflection. Okay, so this is just for the appearance. So this was a basic tutorial to how to construct a 3D assembly of shock absorber in Autodesk Inventor software. I hope you like the video. If you do that, please do hit like and subscribe the channel for more such videos. Thank you.